SSID was introduced because service experience showed that as aircraft age, cracks and damage can appear in critical structural areas that were not fully anticipated during original certification. Early certification assumed ideal manufacturing, limited repairs, and predictable fatigue behavior, but aging fleets revealed that real-world usage creates new crack locations and faster damage growth. SSID ensures safety by mandating targeted inspections of these critical areas so damage is found early before it can threaten structural integrity. ASIP was introduced to address the reality that aircraft structures change over time due to fatigue, corrosion, repairs, and operational variability. Instead of assuming that original design predictions remain valid forever, ASIP creates a lifecycle framework that continuously evaluates structural health using analysis, testing, and in-service data. This allows engineers and regulators to adapt inspection programs, life limits, and safety assumptions as new aging-related issues are discovered. The Aging Aircraft Rule was introduced after accidents and fleet-wide findings showed that aging effects could erode structural safety even when aircraft were maintained according to original programs. FAR26 ensures safety by legally requiring design approval holders and operators to address age-related issues such as widespread fatigue damage, corrosion, and multiple site cracking. It transforms aging aircraft management from a reactive activity into a mandatory, proactive safety system. CPCP was introduced because corrosion was found to be a silent but powerful threat to structural strength, especially in older aircraft exposed to moisture, salt, and harsh environments. Early designs did not fully account for long-term corrosion behavior, and inspections alone were not enough to prevent strength loss. CPCP ensures safety by requiring systematic corrosion detection, treatment, and prevention, so corrosion does not quietly reduce load-carrying capability as aircraft age. As aircraft age, new risks emerge, and programs like SSID, ASIP, FAR26, and CPCP exist to ensure safety evolves faster than those risks.